Hello stalkers, welcome back. Before I proceed with this video, I would like to thank each and everyone for showing your love and support. In my last video, I received many likes, many shares, and many of you have subscribed as well. It really feels good and it motivates me when I see some responses from your side. So please continue supporting. It's your channel. We all are growing. We all are learning. Let's start with DFM Market Index. Check this out. Today we saw a picture perfect bounce right from the support zone. We have already marked it on your charts. I have been repeatedly mentioning 5296 is support area. Check this out. What happened today? Market index came down till about 5293.75, and from here we are seeing a nice bounce. Closing is at 5327. Now one thing is for sure, that what we have identified or what we have marked on our chart is support. Definitely that is the reason we are seeing momentum right from this zone itself. Today's high was at about 5339 points. This candle is looking good. Now I would be only convinced when I see a solid candle close above 5365 points. If at all market can continue its upside momentum, if we see immediate break of the resistance, then there are very good chances we may see continuation to the upside. In this scenario, obviously we will conclude that market has corrected itself after this strong momentum to the upside, and from here we are looking more upside momentum in Dubai Financial Market Index. Overall, still market is bullish, it's positive. We are just going through minor correction phase. Hopefully that should be over soon. Till the time market is now above this zone, we should be considering it safe, and there are good chances it can break out the resistance of 5393 points. On the other side, ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, has been printing red candles. Today is a negative candle. It is right into our support zone. That is 9563 points. We can see previously when market came down aggressively, very next day onwards we saw a reaction. It tried to break out and cross 9653. It was not able to do so, and from here we are seeing another leg to the downside. So as of now, need of the hour is, if at all market can survive into this area that is support, that is between 9549 to 9563. If at all tomorrow we get a green candle close, I would be very satisfied, and from here there are very good chances we may see at least sideways momentum or market may start climbing up. Till the time this support zone is intact, we can expect market to rebound from here. But if at all we see a breakdown and close below this zone, then as I mentioned, then market may try to revisit any of the support zone, establish a base, and then potentially a move to the upside. If at all on the negative scenario, I hope you have already marked it on your charts. We have strong support at 9404 points and then 9352. Hopefully we don't want to see market coming down till about this zone. I want to see market establishing into this area or even a bit lower and then bounce up to break the resistance and continue its upside move. Overall, we are seeing some weakness in ADX market. One of the best performer and a heavy-weighted stock in Dubai Financial Market is Emaar Properties. Check this out. Today we are seeing a solid green candle. But let me tell you, this can be a fake move. The reason is, right at the time of closing we saw a good momentum. Previously, before the market closing, it was trading at around this area, that is 13.75. Throughout the day it was sluggish, it was just going sideways. Finally at the time of closing we can see it jumped up to close at 13.85. So this can be really very tricky. I had mentioned in my members video yesterday, if at all we can see a breakout above this zone, that is 13.85, we will consider it positive. However, today's closing is right at the dot into the resistance, so this can be very tricky. We will have to wait for one another day. If at all market can print tomorrow a green candle above this resistance, then we can confirm resistance is taken out, and from here if it dips again it would be considered as buying opportunity. Now why 13.85 is very important? Let me share the details. Check this out. We can see a good bounce from this zone. From here it made a new high. It went till about 14.45. So definitely there is strength into this zone. Again, when it came down, we saw a bounce. right into this zone. It was not able to move any higher, but still it was acting as a support. We could see a fair bounce. Previously also we saw a nice breakdown, and then very next day onwards we saw a big gap up opening and it continued its upside momentum. So this zone is very crucial for the market, that is 13.85. So again, to repeat, we can see a nice bullish candle closing above the resistance. I would consider it positive. However, tomorrow's opening is very important. If it opens with a gap down, this would clearly show sign of weakness because it has closed right into the resistance. If at all it cannot open flat or with a gap up, definitely buyers will consider it as negative, and there are chances either it can print a inside candle or it can even come down and print a red candle. So tomorrow will be a deciding day for Emaar Properties. If at all it prints a green candle, or during the session if at all it can break 14.00, which is psychological and technical resistance, this would give us a solid confirmation that Emaar Properties is now ready to go higher. By the way, dividends are also coming up. No doubt Emaar Properties is paying out very handsome dividends. Just for your information, it's giving out 1 dirham per share. So definitely investors and traders, those who are planning to hold it for long term, they will try to accumulate at lower prices so that they can get good return on investment. And obviously after the dividend date, we can expect a gap down, and then slowly and steadily it will try to recover, as fundamentally Emaar Properties is very strong. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If at all you are interested to join my YouTube membership, you can scan the QR code. Link is also provided in the description box. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.